Why do 90% of the startups fail in the first 5 years in India, even after having third largest ecosystem in the world? Let's figure it out, but don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. One, lack of innovation. 77% of the venture capitalists think that Indian startups lack innovation or unique business models. India has also been sentenced that Indian startups are replicating the global startups rather than creating their own, which are also called as Desi apps. Till now, startups like Chai Point, Swiggy, Ola and Sati are listed in 50 innovative companies in the world. 2. Lack of funds. There are millions of startup ideas floating around, but to turn ideas into reality requires finance. As I said earlier in this video, most of the venture capitalists think that there is lack of innovation and have no faith in product. And even if startups successfully manage to raise a considerable amount of funds, there is still need of cash flow to sustain in the market. You can take Tazo as an example, a bike rental startup which got shut down when it got dried up of all funding. There was no cash flow after collecting funds. A stage came where company got no profits in the business and hence it needed to be shut down for good. 3. Market fit. Startups which have no requirement in the market. Now many people confuse between innovation and market fit. In early days, people used to talk by landlines, but now smartphones have come. This is called innovation. And when we come to Sony Betamax, which was actually a 2.0 version of VHS, it failed because the world was moving towards CDs and USBs. There was no demand of a VHS upgrade. 4. Lack of focus. At starting, you should just particularly focus on one thing instead of just flushing multiple services to consumers. Once it got successful, then you can move on to other services. You can take Grubhub as an example. It is a food delivery startup. It could do a lot more like booking tables, catering, etc. But founders choose to only focus on delivering. The result, it is now a successful growing business. 5. Lack of agility. I can actually explain it to you by taking Godzilla and Kong as examples. Godzilla will take at least a building to move one step in a dense city like Hong Kong, but Kong can simply jump from one building to another. In this case, Godzilla had lacked agility. But yeah, big personality gives loads of power. In real life scenario, India's largest consumer goods producer, Hindustan Unilever Limited, decided to partner with startups in 2015. This move helped the company regain agility in the market. 6. Lack of patience and core team. Many startups fail in showing patience. They start with huge hopes and expectations, waiting for instant results and don't think about long term. They face challenges and pressures both from society and financially, which makes most of them crack under the situation. And when it comes to the core team, small startups are cash strapped and cannot afford to hire experts and experienced people who come at higher prices. You actually need a mentor when you don't know the world you're going in. Some things are as important as quality of product, such as experience, which you can't buy. So you need to hire some experienced people. 7. Lack of volatility, or say lack of ability to adopt. You need to modify or just change the product according to your consumer needs, or the product will fail and can cost the whole company to crash. You can take one of the biggest motor companies around the world and the biggest in USA, GM or General Motors. It did not care consumer needs and just continued to produce more power and muscle, where US's trend was changing to mileage. And the result, the company got on the verge to shut down. But thanks to the government, which gave enough support to bounce back.